Here's how to convert to M4A. So if you're trying to convert audio files, that M4A file extension or file type, I use an app called ConvertSave that I actually created. It's an offline file converter. Images, video, audio, works for Windows and Mac. Check it out in the description or just go to convertsave.com. So I've got an MP3 and a WAV file here. I can click and drag them in. It's easy, drag and drop, select the output, and I'm going to go to M4A. You can see there's other options here as well, but we'll do this one. Hit convert. It's going to convert those and save it right next to wherever those files came from. And like I said, it does images, video, and audio. So if you're trying to go video to M4A, you can do that too. So I've got an MP4 over here. There's several different video file types. Any common one works. So we drag in that MP4. I've got more files I can convert it to that are video format, but I also have that M4A down here, and I can hit convert. It's going to convert that video file to M4A, and it's going to save it right next to where that MP4 came from. And so this works on Windows and Mac, like I said, and it works offline, which means everything happens only on your computer, and it's really quick. You can just drag and drop, convert thousands of images or audio or video all at once. That's ConvertSave, and it's as simple as that. It converts and it saves. Hopefully you guys find it useful. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.